Shalom, little sisters and little brothers. Today we have Parasha Mishpatim. In this parasha, there are many topics. First topic, slave laws. Second topic, laws against violent actions. Third law, laws in case of accident. Fourth law, laws to repair damages. Number 5, moral and cultural laws. Number 6, laws to do justice. Number 7, the rest of the land. Number 8, the 3 great festivities. Number 9, confirmation of the alliance. But we are only going to focus on only 2 terms, that are the rest of the land and the 3 great festivals. But before we get into the terms, let's get to know the name of this parasha.
Parasha Mishpatim, Parasha 18, Exodus 21, 1 to 24:18.
Let's get in with the first term, the rest of the land.
Adonai spoke to Moshe on Mount Sinai, saying, "Speak to the children of Israel and tell them, when you have entered the land that I give you, the land will keep rest for Adonai. The produce of the land during the sabbatical year is to eat only, not for trade."
Let's go in with the second term, the 3 big festivals. These are the 3 holidays that are important in this parasha: Pesach, Shavuot, and Sukkot. Pesach celebrates the story of the Exodus of the Israelis from ancient Egypt, which is described in the books of Exodus, Numbers, and Devarim. Shavuot remembers Adonai's giving of the Torah to Moshe on Mount Sinai. Its origin is found in the Torah, and it remembers the tabernacles in which the Israelis lived in the desert after the Exodus from Egypt. That was all, little brothers and little sisters. Thanks for listening. Adonai bless you.
Shabbat Shalom.